Hello everyone, welcome to my course Aliexpress Affiliate Marketing 0 to Hero. In this video, I am going to talk about what is niche and exactly how to choose right niche. So, what is niche? A niche is a market. A niche market is a subset of a large market with its own particular need of preference, which may different from the large market. For example, within the market for women shoes are many different niche or segment shoes. For the vegan woman would be a niche market, as would shoes for plus size woman, shoes for nurse, or even shoes for trans vesties. This would all be niche market within the large woman shoes market. So basically niche market is a target based market. So how to choose your right niche market? I'm going to talk about top 5 points. Identify your interest and passion. You have to identify which niche you are passionate about, and then identify problem you can choose, you can solve. Then research your competitor. Then determine the probability of your niche. Then test your idea. So I am gonna choose the niche. I already do little bit of research about my niche in this project. So I am going to choose about travel niche. So I am going to using travel related product from Aliexpress, and then showing you how to create, how I do marketing and earn money from this test project. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.